When you have a model file that needs to be turning, you need to modify it into a format that can be read by the lathe controller. After opening the file, I found that it was in inch mode. I need to change it to mode. The turning controller can only read the length in mode. Create a new file with as the unit. Template akataso.dwt is in mode. Enter the previous file, select the required graphic and copy it. Paste the graphic into the new template. Select the graph, scale, and enlarge it 25.4 times. Depending on the size of your figure, when turning, use a 76.2 mm square piece of wood. First draw a 72.6 mm square and rotate it 45 degrees. Move the center of the square to align with the center of the shape. Because your square of wood will form a circle when it is rotated on the machine. When you set the X0 point on the machine, the blade is at the corner of the square wood. So the outermost edge of the pattern needs to extend to the corner of the wood. So draw a line where the wood is furthest from the center. Draw guidelines for the turning tool to enter and leave the wood. Delete the extra lines and keep only the shape lines on the left side of the graphic. Trim off excess wire. Check again if there are any overlapping lines or unconnected lines. If there are any problems, the system will not be able to read the normal graphics. Select all the lines and connect them into one line in the order of the video operations. Check again and find that it is not completely connected. Move the endpoints of the line to make them snap together automatically. Join again. Move the shape to the XY0 position. Save the file as 2007DXF format. Copy this DXF file to a USB drive. The lathe system can read this file. Note: please check. The attribute of this graphic is polyline. If the attribute is not polyline, the lathe system cannot read it.